The best fit as a quadratic model is shown below. The quadratic regression was calculated and plotted along with the data points. The R-squared value suggests a very strong correlation. Watch the instructional video for details on how to do this. Okay, so I still have the same data points from earlier, and I'm going to show you how to do a quad regression. So I'm going to do stat, and then calc, and I want to choose quad regression, which is option 5. And I'm just going to go down and calculate. Okay, so you can see here is the quad regression. You have y equals, and then ax squared plus bx plus c, and then you're given the values for a, b, and c, and that's going to be your function. So you have a is 0.13, b is negative 2.98, and c is 19.23. And remember once again that your calculator, depending on its settings internally, may find slightly different decimal values, but they all should be pretty close to this. Okay, so let me go ahead and enter this function, and we'll see how well it fits. Oh, by the way, the R-squared value is pretty high, 0.966. Suggests a very good fit. Okay, so let's look at the graph. And the curve seems to fit pretty well. It's a little bit off here in the middle of the points and also towards the end, but it does seem to fit the trend pretty well. So how do you decide which model is best for your data? Well, you need to know the relationship of your data. In this case, we have something that's depreciating, and depreciation happens with an exponential decay model. So we do want to use the exponential model for this situation, even though this quad regression does have a really strong correlation coefficient as well, so it fits the data just about as nicely.